possibility is that there will be a number of extra refugees. A total of 15,000 is being discussed at the present time from Žepu. There is a meeting this morning to discuss the possible evacuation, I understand, of people from Žepu. We will deal with this as it arises. As a result of this morning we planned 2 convoys for Sarajevo. One which will enter Sarajevo this afternoon and go to the bakery. It will be carrying approximately 240 metric tons of wheat flour. The second convoy will overnight in Zenicu.